show you guys how to store up these wire brushes that we use, that we need. And they're not hidden away in the cupboard, they're in your face with easy access with a bit of scrapwood. So please stay tuned. First thing you want to do is find a piece of scrapwood. I got a bit of plywood here. It was from a project I did. Find the size enough and then lay these down. So something that you could put like that, upside down. Just lay them out, mark it around. And say you've got a hand brush, what you want to do is get this hand brush and give it a mark around there, make a square from it. Take it all off, find the center, mark it, mark it, mark it. That looks like a 6 or an 8 mil drill bit, wood. So just get your wood drill bit. Just maybe start off with a 6. Just check if it is a 6. There you go, guys. 6 mil. Then when you need it, you just pull it out. Like that. Do the rest. It may be sharp, but you could push it up from there and grab it. That's a good way. For your hand brush, what you need to do is get your jigsaw and draw a circle around there. So when you need your brush, pull it out. And now stay tuned for the cool part of how I'm going to store this. So what you need to do is find yourself another piece of scrap wood, or just measure the same as that and mark it and just measure it. Cut it down there and then we're going to join it together. Now the magic part, we're going to put it where we could access these straight away without needing to look in the cupboard. With this half now, got my tool holder ready, so what I'm going to do, mark a piece here, mark it from there to there, screw this onto the back of here. So basically goes and clamps on at the 45. So what I'm going to do, I'll put a few pilot holes in there and put some screws through wood. So guys, I got my brush holder, my rotary tool sander holder ready. Now let's see if it works. I've put the back on. It goes downwards. The brush holder's ready, my tool cleaner and my rotary tool set. Now one thing to do, we've got our wall on. You could put it here. I've swapped out my hammer space. Now if I wanted to bring my brush tool up there, I could swap it around, so wherever I find convenience. It's in your face. If you need to use it like me, not hidden away, it's really good for that. Thank you guys for watching. Please go ahead and watch the other videos I've also made about how to make a hammer, chisel stands for this French Cleat style, spanners, axle stands. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you again.